Um, sa mga pageants before, yung sinasali kasi ako ng lola ko. So, parang si lola sa father side, parang siya yung nag-persuade sa akin para maging artista, maging singer, gano'n. So, ayun, parang thankful naman talaga ako kasi music is really my passion eh. Tsaka yung pagkanta. And ever since nung bata ako, nung mga 2.5 years old ako, nakakanta na ako. Tapos yun, parang na-develop lang siya nung 3 years old ako. Nag-voice lessons ako sa Center for Pop Music of the Philippines. Tapos hanggang sa, ayun na, sumali ako Little Miss Philippines, Muting Miss You. Um, Oo. Ta Tapos, sinasali din ako ng lola ko sa mga movies ng mga veteran actors and actresses before like sila Philip Salvador, Ronnie Ricketts, ayun. Sinasali niya ako dun sa mga movies na yun, parang talent, gano'n. Tapos, ayun, hanggang sa, ayun, si Miss Regine, ang ating Asia Songbird, idol, gano'n. Tapos, ako, although siya kasi parang she already made a name for herself. Pero ako parang, anday ko pang kailangan pagdaanan. Pero, ang sa akin naman, ito'y isang magandang stepping stone para sa career ko. And syempre, gusto ko rin mag-grow kasi as an individual, not only as a celebrity or as an artist, pero as an individual din. And dito sa showbiz, ang dami-dami-dami kong natututunan. Um, I learned how to be tough dito sa industry kasi sobrang tough talaga dito eh. And um, I admire Miss Regine the most kasi sobrang professional niya and di siya nagbabago. She always at sa mga totoong sumusuporta sa kanya. So, ayun po, I think, tsaka ano din po, para po sa akin kasi, yun din po yung turo sa akin ni mama at saka ni papa, ng parents ko sa akin na, wag na wag mo kakalimutan na mag-give back sa mga taong nandyan palagi para sa'yo, nasa likod mo palagi, and I'm thankful kasi nandyan pa rin po sila mama at saka si papa and I'm grateful for their love and support. Sa mga friends ko, sa mga supporters ko especially, wala po ako sa kinalalagyan ko ngayon kung hindi po dahil sa kanila. And nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Panginoon sa lahat ng mga biyayang natatanggap ko, sa lahat ng opportunities and itong online concert na to. Thank you. Thank you Lord sa talents at sa skills. So ayun po. And I'm blessed na marami pong nagmamahal po sa akin. And ayun po, yun lang. Anday ko sinabi. Isa lang pala yung tanong.
Hi, Julie.
Hi!
Hi.
Gusto ka na?
Okay naman. Julie, I'm Jeff from Soundcheck Manila.
Yeah.
Ang question ko, out of curiosity, why did you decide to write a song for the LGBT community? Like yung If Love's a Crime? Parang in
Yes.
such a young age, bakit yun yung naisip mong ano?
Well, kasi,
concept?
actually, isa yun sa mga rason talaga. Actually, may isa kasing rason na nag-trigger sa akin to write a song about forbidden love eh. Kasi yun, siguro based on experience din. Tapos yung may friend kasi ako na nagkukwento din siya na bawal nga daw kasi ganito ganyan. Tapos parang inisip ko na din kung paano ko siya i-relate sa akin and sa community. So yun yung isa sa mga reasons yung LGBT community na alam mo yun parang dito sa Philippines kasi ang hirap ang hirap mag-out eh kasi hindi na mawawala sa atin ang maging judgmental, 'di ba? I mean like we make judgments pero yung iba kasi sobra. So like for me parang na-inspire ako and I want to inspire them also through the song. Then na like kunwari kapag narinig nila yung kantang yon na about yun nga parang forbidden love ganon, 'di ba? Parang meron nga isang linya doon how do people go on living like this when loving you is bad as a sin? Parang ano ba, kasalanan bang magmahal? Gano'n, 'di ba? Parang kasalanan bang magmahal? Lahat naman tayo 'di ba nagmamahal and, um, kumbaga ang love kasi ay isa 'yun sa mga pinaka-powerful na thing sa buong mundo. And love is not a feeling. Love is not a feeling. I can like kunwari nawawala siya, nagfe-fade siya. Like kunwari feeling mo, galit ka or masaya ka, puwedeng mawala 'yan, pero ang love hindi. Kumbaga ano siya, encompassing. Encompassing talaga. Encompassing siya, gano'n. So, parang for me, parang love is more of decision and the behavior, gano'n. And ayun, gusto ko ring iparating din sa LGBT community and sa lahat ng mga patago, gano'n. Nagmamahal diyan, gano'n. Wag kayong matakot kasi everything will fall into places soon. 'Yun. Hi, Julie. Uy, wala lang. Uy!
Hi,
Oh, ay.
ako si Dan.
Oo, kilala nga kita eh.
May tanong
Ikaw,
ako,
charot. Na.
anong feeling mo yung pinaka naramdaman mo talaga nung habang ginagawa mo yung album mo?
Pinakaramdaman ko, siguro, inspiration. Inspiration. And, yung hugot, yung lalim. 30 feet below. De joke lang. Kasi, 'di ba, kapag sumusulat ka ng kanta, importante, um, dama mo yung music and lyrics and kailangan nagma-match siya. Well, kasi parang, yun nga, actually talaga before, hindi talaga ako nakakapagsulat. As in like, wala ang babaw. At tas, parang wala akong maisip na iba. Puro yun lang, ganito, ganyan. Pero, ayun, na-realize ko na, yun, tumatanda talaga, tumatanda din naman ako, nagdadalaga din naman ako. And then, charot, joke lang. Um, ano, basta, nung sinusulat ko yung mga katang yun, basta inspired ako. Inspired ako sa lahat ng bagay. And especially, yung mga influences ko din. And yung mga tao na nasa paligid ko na tumutulong sa akin para mas ma-inspire ako lalo. Yan. Ay, tapos na pala. Kaya pala muna tatanong. Okay, tama na muna ang kwentuhan at balikantahan na tayo. Alright. For my next number, I'll be performing a song about paano nga ba i-explain to? Siguro, tinuturing mo siyang significant other, pero hindi pala kayo, ganun. Parang ganun. Mas sakit, di ba? Kaya alam mo yung nagkaroon kayo ng na to ay Never Had You. Alright. Nga. Oh, di ba? Okay. Eyes closed that refuse to open, turning blue, nowhere to run. A soft whisper, drawn like breath, and those visions confuse my head. How could I forget? Even lie to myself that there's still something. Maybe it's pain and love, 'cause the past has the way of holding in. Feels like you had me, but I never had you. I gave you all of me and only got a piece of you. My heart is sore, but I gotta keep going. Like I've been trying so hard to keep myself breathing, but goodbye is not the end, not the end. I built these walls so high, and you brought me out of myself. Till we fell almost there, and yet we crashed too hard. Realize this is far as we can go. From the night that you called, I was sitting alone. Till you said something, you feel like giving up. Feels like you had me, but I never had you. I gave you all of me and only got a piece of you. My heart is sore, but I gotta keep going. Like I've been trying so hard to keep myself breathing, but goodbye is not the end, not the end. Time's twisted, this car's unmended. There's no way to let you go, but it's all that's left to do. Every song that sings of you fills my head with memories we shared. Feels like you had me, but I never had you. I gave you all of me and only got a piece of you. Feels like you had me, but I never had you. I gave you all of me and only got a piece of you. My heart is sore, but I gotta keep going. Like I've been trying so hard to keep myself breathing, but goodbye, it's not the end, not the end. Oh no, but goodbye is not the end, not the end. Yes. All right, thank you so much, guys, at mga kapuso. Before I end this online gig, I would like to thank everyone who took the time to tune in and join me in this special treat for my fans. Maraming salamat po. At salamat din sa aking mga taga-suporta na kasama ko dito sa studio. At sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you, guys. And I'd also like to say thank you to Status Salon. Thank you so much. GMANetwork.com, GMA Artist Center, and GMA Network. GMA Records for making this online gig possible. And of course, out na po ang aking album. Second album, Deeper. Available na po yan sa iTunes for download. And out na rin po sa lahat po ng record stores. Yes. And of course, okay, plug shows. Marian, every Saturday po yan. After po ng Pipito Manaloto, before na magpakailanman. And of course, Sunday All-Stars po. Every Sunday po yan. And Pipito Manaloto pala, ayan, every Every Saturday. Oh, magkasama pala sila ng Marian. So, yan, you can follow me on Twitter. My account, at myjaps, MYJAPS, same as yung sa Instagram ko din po. Parehas lang po yun. Again, MYJAPS, myjaps. And for my last song, I'd like to dedicate it to my supporters! Yes. And this is about, kung nasaan man kayo, dyan na lang kayo. Charot! Kung nasaan man kayo, susunod ako. Ganon. Actually, it's a love song. Parang right where you belong kasi. So, 'di ba? Yung nasa music video, nasa heaven na yung guy. Nasa heaven na yung minamahal mo. Tapos parang stay put ko lang dyan kasi alam ko nasa safe place ka. At iyan, parang nandun, kumbaga parang yung guidance nandun. So, this song is entitled Right Where You Belong, and thank you again, everyone. Yes.
Wondering where you are tonight. Maybe you're the distant star. How I want you right here by my side. Now I see your face above. Could you take me where you are? Unafraid no matter what may come. Waiting for the hour of those many nights when you wake up in the storm, streets will always standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your hopes fall apart, not as cold and it's dark, I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong. And we'll meet across the sky, so together we will fly. You're so near to me, you'll never be afar. Once in every hour of those many nights, when you wake up in the storm, streets will always standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your hopes fall apart, not as cold and it's dark, I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong. Waiting for the hour of those many nights. Oh, I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your hopes fall apart, not as cold and it's dark, I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong.
Yay! Thank you so much, guys. Till the next time. Love you.